Our next patient is Mrs. Sawant. Her general physician had sent her to me with a letter saying that she cannot sleep and the entire night she spends sitting on a sofa. So I responded back to the general practitioner saying that if she is suffering from insomnia, then you better send her to a neurologist. Why are you sending the patient to me? The reply was that she says that whenever she goes to bed, she is scared because she gets attacks of giddiness. So that is why the patient has been sent to me. Now let's hear what Mrs. Sawant has to say.
Doctor, my general practitioner has sent me to you because I am having many problems. I don't know what is actually happening. First thing is that I cannot sleep whole night. I am just sitting on my sofa doing nothing, just thinking why I am suffering from this nausea and the giddiness. Doctor, it is just last for 2-3 minutes, but 2-3 मिनट भी इतने बुरे होते हैं कि I cannot do anything about it. मैं इतने डॉक्टरों के पास गई हूँ. My doctor has sent me to gynecologist, neurologist, orthopedic surgeon. सभी लोगों ने एक ही दवाई देते जा रहे, कोई हो ही नहीं रहा है उपाय. अब मैं क्या करूँ, आप ही मुझे बताइए. Doctor, you are the only one who can save me from this.
CT scan, MRI ये सब भी आपने कर चुका है?
हाँ, सभी कर दिया, सभी जगह जाके आए. I have gone to all kind of doctors.
आपको जेल प्रेक्शन तो हमको बोले थे, जब आपको कुछ रोज ने सर्वाइकल कॉलर भी व्यवहार किया
हाँ
था,
जी,
उसमें
हाँ.
कुछ फर्क हुआ?
नो, इट्स नॉट अफेक्टिंग, कुछ भी नहीं होता. इफ आई स्टैंड इट्स अ प्रॉब्लम, बट मेजर प्रॉब्लम ऐसे है कि व्हेन आई एम स्लीपिंग ऑन माय राइट साइड, देन आई स्टार्ट गेटिंग दिस गिडीनेस एंड इट जस्ट स्टॉप्स देयर आफ्टर 2-3 मिनट्स. इट्स जस्ट लाइक अ सेकंड, बट ऐसे लग रहा है कि इट्स लाइक गोइंग फॉर years and years and years and years. अब आपको बोलूँ तो मुझे 6 महीने पहले अटैक आए थे. तो 6 महीने पहले I took a medicines and all that, and after it's gone away. But again it occurred. So what am I to do with it? Just tell me, doctor.
Mrs. Sawant, you will have to tell me exactly what is the feeling like. आपको क्या ऐसा लगता है कि सब चीज़ रोटेट करता है, माने do the things appear to be spinning and rotating, or is it something like an imbalance? Like आपको लगता है कि मैंने गिर जाऊंगा, और आपको धुंधला माफी लगता है, माने is it something like a typical blackout type of a thing? That is what you will have to tell me.
I can say it is like rotating. Means कभी-कभी ऐसा लगता है earthquake आ गया तो गिरने का ऐसा होता है, पूरा spinning हो जाता है. The world is spinning, the walls are spinning. That's what I feel, doctor.
The entire surroundings appear to be rotating.
Yes, the entire surrounding is rotating. You know, I feel really it's moving. गोल-गोल घूम रहा है सब.
कभी धुंधला माफी नहीं लगता ना?
धुंधला माफी
it is never a blackout.
नहीं, ये तो ब्लैकआउट तो होता नहीं है, सिर्फ घूमने का जैसा होता है, पूरा वर्ल्ड घूम रहा है ऐसे लग रहा है डॉक्टर.
What exactly precipitates the attack? चक्कर शुरू होता है कैसे? Can you specify? मैंने ये करने से कि ये करवट लेने से टिपिकली चक्कर शुरू होता है?
Doctor, the attack starts when I am lying down in the bed. Particularly when I turn myself to the right side while sleeping, then the attack starts. But when I am walking or when I am doing something, this attack doesn't happen to me. So I don't know why this is happening, doctor.
Do the attacks also occur when you try to sit up from the lying down position?
When I am sitting up in the lying down position, yes, the attack starts. But as I told you, it's just for a few seconds. It's not for the longer period.
How long does each attack persist? You be extremely precise. 20-30 सेकेंड होता है, ना 1-2 सेकेंड होता है, ना 3-4 मिनट रहता है, ना 2-3 घंटा रहता है. आपने एकदम प्रिसाइसली बोलिए तो ये एक अटैक टिपिकली कितना टाइम को लिए रहता है?
Doctor, if I have to say precisely, then it is only for 30 to 40 seconds. But I feel it is for more than 30-40 seconds, like for a minute. But when I clock it down, it is just a 30 to 40 seconds. That's the precise I can tell you, doctor.
It is never more than a minute, na?
No, it is never more than a minute. It's just a 30 to 40 seconds, not more than that.
How frequently do you get the attacks? आपने जब भी सोने जाते हैं तभी होते हैं?
Doctor, when I am lying down, then particularly at the right side when I turn, this attack happens. But when I am on the left side when I turn myself, then this never happens. This attack never comes. So I feel that it is only on the right side this problem happens. But if I tell you, not always, once or twice, it never happened for that minute also. So I don't know exactly when that happened, but I feel that it is on the right side.
Are there any symptoms accompanying the attacks of giddiness? Means what I intend to ask you is, do you feel any heaviness in the ears, any deafness, any fullness in the ears, anything related to the ears when you get the attacks of giddiness? That is one. And secondly, do you have any other symptoms like headache or things appear double? You know what, there is something called double vision, means the things will appear like double images to you. ऐसे कुछ लगता है कि हाथ को पैर में कोई weakness लगता है, anything that you can think of?
No headache or anything of that sort, and nothing related to ears. I don't feel pain in ears or anything of that sort. Only I feel very nausea, like it's like moving, the world moves, it just rotates and the nausea starts with it. Nothing else, doctor. No ears, no ear pain.